spring onion and ginger sauce. Okay, so to make our spring onion and ginger sauce, we're going to be using all of the spring onions. So we're going to cut it up as fine as possible. Alright, so here we have all our spring onions. So we're going to add that to our bowl here. Right. Now because I already have my ginger paste, I obviously don't need to cut it up. So I can just add it to this. But if you don't have it made, then you'll grate some ginger and put it in this. Okay, so I'm gonna add some ginger paste to this, and I'm also going to add about a half teaspoon of salt to this. Let's head over to the stove and heat up some oil. All right, so let's heat up some oil. I'm just using coconut oil. Okay, so now we add our hot oil to our ginger paste and spring onions. Guys, if you can smell in here right now, oh my goodness, it smells so good. As that hot oil hit the spring onions and the ginger. I'm just gonna mix it together because remember we had added a little bit of salt. So I want to mix everything together, but oh my goodness, this smells so good. So there you have it, folks, our spring onion ginger sauce. Smells really good.